Hi, Tony the Dusty Woodworker here. I'm looking at a video on YouTube where a guy had a vise mounted on top of the table. And I left a comment that the vise was installed upside down. He replied with a video showing that his vise is actually mounted on top of the table. So, in regards to that argument, he has won. But what I wanted to show here is that these vices are typically and generally put underneath the table and put level with the table so that you can put a piece of wood that you're working with up on the table and clamp it between bench dogs. Let me grab a piece of scrap. Here you see my bench vise. It has this raisable dog. And these dogs are useful when you want to clamp a piece of wood and hold it secure. You just come over here, drop a couple of bench dogs in, and I can push this piece of wood up against those dogs. Come over here, and I can clamp this piece to the workbench, and it is stable. It does not move at all. Of course, depending on how tight I want to put it. But this is how I understand these bench vices are to be installed. As you can see, this one also has a spacer underneath it. The feature that this particular vise has that's nice is this quick release. I can pull this quick release. I don't have to screw the vise out or screw it back in. But that's it, folks. That's the way the most common bench vices are meant to be installed. Have a good day.